Hello everyone, Mithun 143 here and Mr. Ignite here. So बहुत दिन vlog नहीं किया था, so सोचा we're going to go out today on a दिवाली के दिन पे आज एक प्लान किया था हमने idea, so we're gonna go there. I'm not gonna say कि क्या कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं हम, but you'll find out soon. So this is the beginning basically of the vlog. Mr. घर में हूँ, we're waiting for the Uber at the moment. And once we reach there, we'll find out कि क्या क्या बात है. चलो, say hi to Mystic's cat.
You want to see how guys?
तो दिखा रहा उनको how will he reply. अभी बंद कर दो. बाय बाय बोलो. Okay, so here calling so we reach, but how do I flip this? Cannot flip it. Okay, wait. But it's full. Diwali के दिन में full है एकदम completely. So we have to wait now. हमने register कर लिया है. So have to wait few minutes. Then only you can get it. Finally got the chance. Epic fail mode. Rồi, con hắn một bên nước béo rồi tụi mà cho tôi kia này bảo sao mà thế? Exactly, that's right. If I look at straight. Yes, I. दूता है जीरो हमारे दूता है. Nice. कुंटू में ऐसे मुझको दिव्य है इधर दिव्य. Twice. You do it twice. So I got 0 till now. होश तो reset. एक इतना you have to fall. एक इतना पहला बोलेगा ना. Only one pin. You got 6 points.
No, don't. Just throw me. Taller pra divi, like rounder pra divi.
Record for second.
Right hand is tiger na, right hand. Sari bhi ka tiger so right hand में. Yeah, sari.
फिर से एकदम प्यार.
उसे मत जाओ. From here, yes. From here.
I suck at this. Fuck. Oh, I have 0 score literally. Fuck my life.
নুবৰ নিচিনা বহি নাথাক তই ইফালে মাৰি মিঠু ইজানো গৈছে চা see
Your right hand broken or I did a full. Look at the score, guys. 0, 0, 0, 10, 10. What the fuck? And oh.
Mitu thinking here.
Mama, I got the idea now. Okay. Mama, it's okay. Only at the difference also, okay? Not a big deal.
Still I'm winning.
Doesn't matter. I can. You have 1, 2, 3. Harita round baki ase.
Your hands are better on mouse.
Better on mouse, way better. দেখো ন অলপ বেছি উঠি গ'ল তোৰ 3 পালি থে পাক হ'ব দে হ'ব you got lucky there
No, I did it with my force.
you have better accuracy than me there.
Exactly.
হ'ব দে কি হ'ল you got full score oh shit okay
See, at least you scored something. See, I told you.
obviously মোৰ সব বেকাকে যাই আছে okay mistake 1 with 31 hey say something
I'm a legend, bro.
okay sure alright so I lost the first round very
Brutally.
whatever so we're gonna play again now फिर से हमने वो किया है charge किया है 5 cost of 500 by the way like the lowest tier it gives you like full one game के लिए so that's really shit so we're gonna play again and let's begin okay so game 2
You got something.
oh it's going 1 pin 1 or 2 you're 1 see oh
Oh, right hand somewhere. A minute.
oh nice Mystic has to do a perfect score to win this one. Oh, it's going. It's oh bhai. It's swing ball question ke peta hai. Oh shit. Nice one, nice try though. Okay, Mystic going in again. Let's go, I believe. Yep, it's going this time. It's going middle. Okay. Oh, almost perfect. Oh, nice one. Again, come on. The last two. You have to break the last two. Going for it, going for it. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Almost there.
Almost.
Nice.
It's very tiring.
হাতখন বৰ বিষাই বে।
How did you get one?
Because you got one thing.
I got one last one.
Very nice. I like it.
हाथ भी कैसे बहुत my hand is paining like shit, man. All right, mistake. Look at the camera. Come on. All right, she's preparing to hit. Yep, just like it. See? See? See, I told you, right? See, I told you, sliding is better. Last.
I hope you don't score. Limmy.
Nobody saw that.
I saw that. Everybody saw that.
Better than the last time, so I'm happy about it. Last throw. Got you by there.
You won't hit. Because I have to hit.
You're correct.
How did you feel?
It's because it's better than the last time, so I'm happy about that part. Come on, you have to. And. Last turn mistake, the last ball. The last ball that counts. Wait. Now. I believe strike. And the winner is mistake. Do you want to read out the names? Who's the winner here? Do you want to read out who? Do you see MITHU 73? Do you see the winner name there?
Oh my, last time कितना था?
Who is the winner now, Mystic? Mystic won one, we won, I won one, so it's equal. We'll draw. Did you have fun?
I only won once.
So did I. So you should be happy I won. We'll do a rematch. Yes. But not today. We'll get some other day.
Exams are happening.
Chalo, let's get up. Guys, guess our order number, guys. Just guess our order number. We're eating at the Pizza Hut. Guess our order number. कमेंट में लिखो हमारा ऑर्डर नंबर क्या है, गेस करो सब लोग. Our order number was 69. Oh, that's our order number 69. Alright, so we did a big order. Mystic AP अपने वो डाल दिए, whatever you wanna call it. So we ordered, I like to see it or not. We ordered chicken Baoji chicken momos, hot and
Chicken momo, chicken.
तुम बोलो.
दिखाओ बाओजी chicken momos, hot and juicy barbecue wings, purple haze mojito and tiger brown sugar with boba coffee.
Happy? Okay. So waiting for the order pizza.
Chicken.
Our pizza आ गया है. So we're waiting for the other orders. When it comes, we're gonna show you everything and we're gonna eat. Right, our food is here. Pizza. This is something Baoji ki. I don't know how to pronounce. Baoji momo. Hello. खाते हैं सब कुछ. चलो, let's go in. Alright. So खाना वाना हो गया अभी. It sounded so awkward.
Getting awkward.
So we're going.
बहुत खाया हम लोगों ने.
So we're going home now. We packed some food too.
वो सब कुछ नहीं too spicy.
We're waiting.
इतना possible नहीं.
So we're waiting for ऊपर at the moment. Okay. Any more puns?
iPhone छुड़ाएंगे.
Going home now. Oh. Alright, so we're heading out over finally. And Mystic bought something with picture on you. What?
I bought this. You want to know?
I'll tell now.
Hey, क्या? Don't give the view.
Let's show it. Alright, so that's her Diwali. Chalo, let's go home now. Lazy. Short time lagi है इसे. Alright guys, so बहुत देर हो गया. मिस्त्री के घर भी पहुंच गया. मिस्त्री, let's say something.
Handshake.
Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog here now. Thank you for watching our video and happy Diwali to everyone. Miss, you wanna say something?
Happy Diwali.
Sound nice.
ये दिखाओ ना. Lights.
Wait, disconnect. Love. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Yeah, follow my page.
Oh, wow. Okay, don't forget to like the video and share it if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, okay. So we're finally home, as you can see. Had a very long day today. लंबा दिन था भाई. फर्स्ट टाइम बॉलिंग किया, अच्छा लगा. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि बॉलिंग करूँगा. फर्स्ट टाइम में तो बहुत थका मैं, आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा. मतलब सेकेंड टाइम में सीख गया थोड़ा बहुत. सो आई थिंक आई गो अगेन. बहुत चीप ही था आई गेस, फॉर लाइक 200 पर पर्सन फॉर एंटायर राउंड, और एंटायर राउंड बहुत लंबा जाता है. सो it's worth it I guess. For 200 rupees it's worth it for per person. So friends के साथ जाएंगे तो और ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. So yeah, gonna end the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching guys. I hope आप लोग को अच्छा लगा. ये vlog दिवाली में बनाया है, तो आशा करता हूँ एटलीस्ट 1 week के अंदर आउट होगा एडिट करके. I'll try my best. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy Diwali to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe. सब्सक्राइब करो यूट्यूब चैनल को और फेसबुक के पेज को फॉलो करो. चलो, बाय बाय.